Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your FC mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this is here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click on apps. Then you come to apps list here in the here you're looking for FC mobile app or just click on search. Then here it add FC mobile app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So when you just click here on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.